Um, Hi everyone. In today's video, we want to see about Perplexity Comet. I just got an access and I'm making this video. I was trying to get this access for weeks and finally I got one. So why I wanted is because Perplexity, we know it is an browser, simple browser where we can get the actual links of things that we are searching for. Sometimes it gives direct links and sometimes it gives a summary of the topics that we are looking for. But Comet came and it is literally your personal assistant. It can actually act as your personal assistant. So I gave like so much example on AI agent, like how it will be and what is AI agent. My first go-to example is Comet. So let's get started with a few of things that I have in mind. One thing is I didn't give full access of my personal email and those things to it because there are like a lot of reasons that we don't have to do that immediately. But in this video, I'm going to try with what the general thing that it can do without having so much of personal details that about me. Without knowing that, how much accurately it can assist me. That we're going to check in this video. So, yeah, um, let's get started. Okay, so here is your view about it. Okay, I'll add the intro of Comet when I try to install it, getting started with it. It gave a introduction video of it. It was amazing. I'll add that in end credits or something after this video. Just yeah, watch that. But we'll see. So I logged in with my personal personal email ID. So I'm just going to ask it whether it can access my calendar and give me some of the information that I wanted. So I'm just going to ask, can you give me upcoming event from my calendar? Yeah, yeah. So 20th is my birthday and it just got to know about it and it is giving me this message saying happy birthday. As I said, I didn't give the actual email that I'm personally using it. It's a spam one that I give for other logins and all. So I just gave it and it just accessed that information, what it was available in that, and it is giving me that. Okay, let me go with something else. Okay. Find me red dresses. Red dress should be a good one for me. And put it in cart of some best ones. Thing is, I didn't give the full access of my personal, you know, um, website, online shopping websites. I didn't give the full access for it, but still, I asked it to find me a good dresses, like what would be my, best choices that I can have. So I just asked it, and I also asked it to put in a cart or something like. Even though it does not have an access, I'm just going to check like what it can do with that. Yeah. Okay. So I can see the add to cart button. So it can access those the dress and the options, everything. It can read the front end, and I don't know how it identified my sizes M. Okay. So we have like similar options of red dresses that I can choose. Recently closed tabs. Okay. Oh, these are things that I've checked and it is giving me those based on my. Okay. So this is like I found a highly rated red dress for you. from sassafras, red and beige, floral waist. Okay, waist cutout maxi dress. This is like reasonable price and ratings are high. And yeah, so however, I couldn't add it to your cart automatically because you need to be logged in into Myntra. Yes, because I didn't logged in on any of the sites that I'm in this browser. Can you check like it is a new browser that I'm using completely? It's not the Chrome or something. We have like Comet, a separate browser, and we can do anything in here. I'll show another thing like what we can. Okay, find this flight to Paris from India with my available date from my calendar. Yeah. So it knows some of dates that I'm free. Okay, getting event details, my birthday, and what else? You have a calendar event on, so you're available for travel after 21st. Okay. So Gulf, Air, Air India, Etihad Airways. Is that thing? Okay. Skyscanner and other aggregators. So these are like available flights that I can travel to and partially refundable if I booked with the free cancellation up to 39 days prior. Nice. So it gives like entire information in one page. It is more than an assistant, more than your personal assistant. You can share your personal information, it seems. I just need to check the privacy document. After that, I'll give the entire data to it and it can perform anything that I wanted to have. So great. I wanted the access of Comet for, when it got released, I was very interested in this because I saw the overview and ad of Comet. It was brilliant actually. But when I compare that with this one, it is, like it gives in the front page, but we have options to click and see. But for that, you need to give your complete access, like even it can book on its own if you are giving your bank, yeah, account details, those things. It can actually book for you. But it before that, it will get come and confirm with you, and it actually sends an email where you can, where you are like not available to write one. If you are like sitting or away from the place where you are actually sending an email, you can actually ask a comment to send one, like write an email to my boss saying like I'm on vacation, I'm on an emergency, like that you can ask. So these things are there. Okay, let's try one more thing. Okay, um, create a image of sunrise in a beach from Sora. So Sora is a different application, right? I just okay. Sunrise at beach, scenic, inspired by Sora. Okay. So let's see like how it is giving from it. So it goes and asking different application, completely different AI, and trying to get me that information. Understandable. One more thing is for Sora, you need to log in if you are having a ChatGPT in your browser. You need to log in for any information that you wanted. You need to log in first, or give credentials to it. It you will be having beautiful, beautiful. Okay, let me explore. I don't know. I'll take a week or something. I just wanted to spend my entire day in Comet because I like this entire idea of AI agent completely. I don't know how much permissions and time they took to add all these things in one browser. If I don't know, It is a brilliant idea for anybody who are like having, a busy life. They can use Comet like, you know, it will be very useful for those people who are like very, like busy in life. Yeah. So that's all I had. I'll explore data privacy and thing, and I'll post that. I won't make a video of it, but I'll post on you know, the page or whatever they're available that you people can reach out. Or I'll paste that in Discord about publicity, data privacy, and rules. You can try one, get access, and you can have this. They just approved my request and immediately gave access for me, and they'll do it for you also. You can get one. Just request for comment access. You will get one. So that's all I had, and I'll just post that video after this. Stay tuned. Thank you. Bye.